Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Miss,
Soumya Sen.
author of.
Incomplete love story till my last breath.
Right.
It is like with friction's love story,
Right.
and that is the incomplete one. I want my audience should be love this because it's the first time I narrate whatever
Right.
imaginations what I have it. When I just see in front of the audience, I look forward it, and then I narrate this in my love story. I really look forwarding for the people should love
Right,
that,
right,
and
right.
I really want it.
So, how was your experience at the World Book Fair?
It's really very amazing about it. I must say about it. And I have very great experience with Notion Praise also. Very well written, and everything is very awesome for that.
Wow. So, could you tell us a little bit more about your book and why you decided to write this?
Yeah, first of all, as my title indicates about it, that's incomplete love story till my last breath. It's related with the incomplete one. Something is related that I have written. We see a lot of life examples in the day-to-day life, and we feel that in environment, like, people saw a lot of love, but there's no one affected with it.
Right,
So
right,
I pour my all heart in that, as it's my first copy, and. I'm really looking forward that people should attach with my novel.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that experience with us.
Yeah.
Congratulations on being a
Thank you so
published
much.
author.
Thank
I
you.
hope you have a wonderful book.
Thank you so much.